This should be a little...
Okay. Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay, so here is the block penetration. I'm going to hold it in my hand like that. Now you place... Whoops. Ah. Okay, that front's held on by a magnet. So you place the block in the thing, and you place the wand through the top of it to hold the block in, and then you place the other wand in the bottom of it like that. Okay, so now you've got the block on top and the wand's holding it and a wand on the bottom. So what happens is it now penetrates, and you can see the wand right there, and the block is at the bottom. So that's Rudy's penetration. And of course, the way it works, I made you two wands. This front piece is held on by magnets, and this controls it right here. So what happens is I had to put a new lever in here, so I fixed that. This was all broken here. I fixed that. Made you the new wands. Okay, so when you do it, it's supposed to. You don't have to hold it in your hand, but if I do it and not hold it in the hand, and I just gotta hold it like that. When you put this in, you want to make sure that's forward, and so you can do that too, but it didn't go. Okay, so you can hear the sound. It's muffled with this. So leaving it on there like that, it looks like you're holding the block into the top, and you're putting the wand in an empty space on the bottom, and then you just move this lever. Yeah, didn't go all the way down. Okay. Anyway, that's the effect, and I don't know why that's stuck like that. I think it's, you see, there are two very small channels in there, and if that's not in just right, well, let's see. Yeah. See, these are vinyl. What I want to do is I'm going to put new vinyl. These are vinyl, and they're peeled off, and that is so close of a fit in that little channel. Come on. Okay, shut it off.
Okay.